button. Press the goddamn button.
Oh, hell. Yo, nah. First thing I'm doing is I'm praying. I'm praying my butt off. There you go. That was the only answer for that. 288 passengers headed out to Atlanta on Delta flight. Ends up having some of the most traumatic experiences that I could have ever imagined. Like, this is, let me say this real quick. I'm glad everybody was safe. They did land somewhere. They had to take an emergency landing. But this is one of the reasons why I don't really fuck with airplanes. Think about this for a second. Y'all say it's one of the safest ways to travel, right? Which, I mean, you can make an argument for that. But I recall last year there being a slew of incidences where planes were crashing, exploding, and all of these different things. And maybe those numbers don't outweigh the successful flights going to and fro. But like, you telling me you see some shit like this and you're still willing to take the chance? I get it. You want to get to your destinations. You want to see the world. You got business, etc., etc. This is the more logical way, it seems like. I would rather just get on the road and drive, or here's a thought: take a train or a boat. I would rather do the boat than the plane, for real. And to be honest with you, I've said to myself, I'd do the airplane once. This don't make it any better. Now, here's a question that I have. How old are these airplanes? How often are they being checked on? What's the upkeep? Because to me, something like this, for that to happen, you had to have been neglectful. That don't just happen by chance. If everything is running the way that it's supposed to, we shouldn't be having this conversation. If this had taken place when they were already thousands of miles in the air, then what? See, this is why I don't play around with this stuff. And for real, you can't convince me that y'all doing y'all job when I see stuff like this. You can't convince me otherwise. Yeah. How often do y'all travel? Do y'all get on the plane casually? Is it just like riding a bike to y'all? Some of y'all just used to it. I've never done it. I try to make myself want to do it, and then I come across videos like this, and it's like, yeah, that's a big no for me. I'm glad everybody's safe though. But to the people who do travel, if I was you guys, I'd make sure that these people are doing what they're supposed to be doing to ensure the safety of their passengers. You got families of all ages getting on these flights, and y'all just so used to going to and fro, but you don't really know if they doing what they're supposed to be doing with these 1,000-ton machines, man.
Like this is pilot who shies to talking. We going back to Memphis and coming straight from New Orleans. The estimated time of arrival is about an hour. And I can turn your ghost if you try and play with my power. So when you look up and see the sign flashing, stay in your seat. If the flight attendant say you making trouble, then we got beef. The turbulence might get rocky, you better not spill your food. This is bread and